accelerate. This is a 2007 Dodge Magnum 3.5, and when accelerating, lately I've been feeling a vibration. Feels like it's coming from the floor of the rear. It's definitely a drive shaft vibration. Usually the couplers go bad on these, so that's definitely what I'm suspecting. But if you have the same issue, especially if it shakes hard when you're accelerating, then it's probably something to do with your drive shaft. So I'd definitely check the couplers, because I'm gonna check underneath this soon, and we're gonna see what's going on for sure. But this is what happens when I try to accelerate. It's hard to tell when you're going this speed, but it was definitely vibrating. And when you're going slower and accelerating. I don't know if you were able to hear that, but it's shaking hard. When something definitely not right. So